So guys, I've been using the iPhone 10 as my daily driver for almost 100 days now. But the Galaxy S9 Plus came out, the latest and greatest. I gotta test this out as well. I've already set up my Gmail account, so a lot of my contacts are there. Unfortunately, if you use iOS and you add a contact, it's not really gonna sync it. So I wanna make sure everything is sunk together. So to do that, there's a Smart Switch app on your Galaxy device, and you use the USB OTG connector right here. So we're going to do that. I'm going to basically share my experience, what happens, how everything works. So let's get started. Okay, so on our Galaxy device, we're going to go into settings, and there's a Smart Switch option. Right there, USB cable. Plug your old USB device into there. Okay, so that's plugged in. It says connecting to iOS device. A pop-up message will appear. So we're going to trust this computer. I'm going to put in my passcode. Y'all can't know that. Okay, it's connecting. Okay, we have to enter my password from my iPhone. Hopefully I know what the password is. Yep, that did it. That's a miracle. So it's doing its thing, it looks like. Very good. Okay, it said there wasn't enough storage space because this is a 256 gigabyte phone, and then this is a 64 gigabyte phone. I probably have a crap ton of video and stuff already up here. That's a little interesting that I can't choose how much I want to transfer, like, you know, what items, because this is literally a brand new phone. Okay, let's try import from iCloud. Like, literally all I want to do is basically transfer my contacts. You're assigned in the iCloud select device you want to import data from. So we're going to pick my iPhone 10. And I want to do contacts, calendar, notes, call log, bookmarks, Wi-Fi, sure. That's basically all I want. Pretty quick. I mean, it's nothing that's super data intensive anyway. It says 99% left. I mean, there's not, like I said, there's not much there. It says 3 of 7, so it's doing like all the different things, the different topics, categories. Looks like we're in progress. Basic content imported. I do see like I have an alarm clock now. Like it imported my alarm clock from here. So if we go here, 7:30 a.m., that should be set. Oh, okay, never mind. But these work, so that's a little strange, huh? I know this was 6:30. Oh, do you know what? I lied, because this was 6:30 this morning. I just changed this. So it must not have sunk with the cloud or anything quite yet. I want to check my contacts because I know some contacts I added on my iPhone. So my contacts did load, and it didn't load any duplicates either. And this thing is probably going to take forever. I don't really need any of my apps or photos from iOS or anything else. So I'm going to see what happens when I press X. To continue to import other content such as images, videos, documents, and messages. Oh, it even says right here, to avoid disruptions to your text messaging service, turn off iMessage. So we want to do that. So all we got to do is just go here. And then there is a messages spot. We're going to turn off iMessage right there. And then that will take care of that. Then I can pop in my SIM card into this, and iMessage should work as well. One other thing I'm going to do is turn off iMessage from my computer, my Mac as well, because that will interfere. So guys, that's how I switched all the data from my iPhone 10 to my new Galaxy S9. This should work for pretty much any new Galaxy device. All of them have Smart Switch, so just use it. As you saw, since my iPhone 10 has 256 gigabytes of storage and this has 64 gigabytes, it would not let me do a normal transfer. So I did like an iCloud transfer, which would take more time to do, but I also don't need all the storage or all the videos and images from this phone to this phone. If you do want to transfer all that, you're going to have to get a big memory card to put in it here. if you're transferring from a 256 gigabyte iPhone. That's going to be the only problem I see. But I'm happy. I just wanted to transfer my important contacts and my notes. So we're good to go. I can now rock Android once again. Have I told you guys how much I love this color? It really catches the light. Really cool. And that's all I got to say about that, guys. Let me know what other content you want me to make for the Galaxy S9. Do you want me to make a comparison to the iPhone 10? I'm up to it if you are. Have a great day. Bye.